Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on guys auto rotate screen and how to use it on Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your Oppo phone guys phone auto rotate. So how to on and use auto rotate on Oppo phone in this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on auto rotate. So after on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So when scroll it friends, Oppo phone is click on display and brightness setting. Friends, you can see dark mode, auto brightness, eye comfort. Then guys you can see auto rotate. So friends, we'll click on auto rotate. After click on auto rotate mode will on, and friends come back. And friends, now we will use YouTube app. Friends, you want to rotate your phone automatic. Friends, you can see screen will rotate automatic. So after on guys auto rotate guys, you can use guys screen rotate setting like that. If you want to on auto rotate, you can on. Same guy when you will use any another app. Example guys, we will on Play Store. When you want to rotate your screen, you can rotate your screen and you can use it. So are you friends you understood how to on auto rotate and friends how to use it on Oppo phone device? Friends, you don't want to use, open your phone setting and guys we will off from search bar option. Search here guys auto setting. As you can see auto rotate, friends tap here direct. Friends, you can off your auto rotate from here. After all guys, screen will not rotate automatic. You can check, you can try, you can use your YouTube app, any app. Screen is rotate, friends, you can see screen will not rotate. So like that guys, we can on and use auto rotate setting and we can off it. So bye bye guys, we will meet in next video. I hope friends you understood how to on and off auto rotate and use auto rotate setting on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, we will meet in next video.